Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rope caulking is probably one of the most effective and affordable ways to improve your home's energy efficiency by sealing windows and significantly reducing air leaks, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. In this video, we will explore what rope caulking is, its benefits, and a step-by-step guide on how to apply it correctly for optimal results, ensuring your windows are properly sealed against drafts and outside elements. Number 5. Butyl Tape RV Window Seal Kit. It's easy to use and can be used on RV windows, roofs, boats, and more. Say goodbye to messy caulk and hello to a simple solution for sealing leaks. This strong, thick tape creates a vapor barrier, keeping water out. It can even withstand temperatures up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit for years. The paper backing makes application a breeze, ensuring a smooth, continuous seal around any shape. No more skips or runs. It sticks to fiberglass, rubber, metal, plastic, wood, and glass. A versatile solution for many sealing needs. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to premium quality and your satisfaction. We stand behind our products. What we like. It's a waterproof and strong tape that can seal irregular gaps and cracks. If you need a durable, long-lasting seal for boats, RVs, or outdoor projects, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various surfaces and applications, ensuring a reliable seal in diverse conditions. What people say. This product is super sticky, but it works so wonderfully. I was able to seal up drafty cracks in my home. Very easy to use, and was super sticky and pliable. Sealed up my RV window perfectly. I used this RV and marine window seal kit, and it worked perfectly for sealing leaks and securing fixtures. Strong adhesion, sticks well to various surfaces without peeling. Flexible and durable, easily molds to edges and gaps for a tight seal. Weather resistant, holds up against rain, heat, and cold. Number 4. Frost King B2 Mortite Caulking Cord. This innovative caulking cord is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It creates a weatherproof seal, keeping the elements out and your home comfortable. It's incredibly versatile. Use it on wood, plastic, metal, masonry, glass, and concrete. It adheres to porous and non-porous surfaces with ease. No special tools are needed. Simply press it into place with your fingertips. It's that simple. It stays flexible and won't harden, providing a lasting, airtight seal. Yet, it's also easy to remove when needed. Keep drafts and moisture out with this simple and effective solution. It's the perfect way to protect your home from the elements. Upgrade your home's weatherproofing today with Frost King B2 Mortite Caulking Cord. It's the smart, convenient choice for a lasting seal. What we like. This caulk cord is incredibly easy to apply, no tools are needed. If you're looking for a simple, weatherproof solution for sealing gaps and cracks, and want the flexibility to remove it later, then this is for you. It's perfect for quick fixes and temporary sealing needs. What people say. It is like pliable clay, clean and easy to work with. It doesn't bond permanently, but sticks great against brick, cinder, rotted with the problem surfaces. Moldable and stretchable. Keeps drafts out, and goes a long way. This is a good way to seal up small gaps and keep the cold hot air out or from escaping. This size is good for gaps of approximate 1/8 inch. It allows you to press some into the gap and have a bit to press down on either side of gap for a good hold. This also allows for easier removal when time comes. Number 3. ATack Window Seal Tape. Say goodbye to drafty windows this winter. This industrial-strength tape creates an airtight seal, keeping your home warm and cozy. It sticks firmly, preventing even the coldest drafts from penetrating. Plus, it's residue-free for easy removal. This tape is safe for wood and other surfaces, and won't damage your paint. It removes cleanly, leaving no sticky residue behind. Even if you're not a DIY expert, it's simple to install. Get professional-looking results with minimal effort. It not only blocks cold air, but also keeps out dust, smog, and warm air. Enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. This versatile tape is perfect for sealing windows, doors, and even air conditioning units. Get yours today. What we like. This transparent tape provides an airtight seal without leaving any residue. If you are looking for a clean, invisible solution for sealing drafty windows, and want to easily remove it without damaging surfaces, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for renters or those who want a temporary, yet effective seal. What people say. It has really helped a lot, was easy for the most part to put on, just need a really sharp knife to cut this stuff. It's nice and clear and stays in place though. It is wide enough and holds very strong, and at the same time it is removable, without taking the paint with it. It is surprisingly easy to peel and apply. It is a little stretchy so it doesn't feel brittle. It has great adhesive, but lets go if you need to pull back and adjust as you apply. Then once in place, you just rub and you can tell it's getting a good seal that is airtight. Also is not as shiny a finish, so it practically disappears. Number 2. Duck brand press to seal rope caulk. This innovative caulk is designed to easily seal cracks and gaps, making it perfect for doors and windows. It's simple to use and leaves a clean finish. Say goodbye to drafts and energy loss. It's incredibly easy to apply and remove, making home repairs a breeze. This rope caulk is paintable, so you can easily match it to your existing decor. It's the perfect solution for a seamless finish. It measures 1/8 inch wide and stretches 35 feet long, providing ample coverage for various projects. One roll is all you need for most jobs. This single roll is ready to use right out of the package. It's the perfect solution for quick and easy home repairs. Please note that the packaging may vary slightly from what you see here. The product itself remains the same high-quality caulk you've come to expect from Duck brand. What we like. This paintable rope caulk is easy to install and remove. If you're on a budget and need a simple solution for sealing cracks and gaps in doors and windows, this is a great choice. Its paintable feature allows for a seamless finish, blending in with your existing decor. What people say. It was super easy to pull one thin rope out, and even 3 ropes for a larger spot. I was able to easily mold the caulk into the bigger open gaps and the thinner edges around the windows where I could feel the cold air blowing in. It worked immediately. Super easy to cut with regular scissors, and the rest stayed nice and neat at the roll. This stuff goes a long way, and in many cases it can be used again later because it is so flexible. Number 1. MD Building Products Weatherseal. It effectively blocks drafts and moisture. It's perfect for sealing gaps around windows and plumbing, creating a comprehensive barrier against leaks and energy loss. This is perfect for creating a temporary seal during winter, protecting against cold drafts and moisture. It's easily removed in spring, leaving no residue. This forms a durable, flexible seal for both indoor and outdoor use. It seals out drafts, dust, and moisture, making it ideal for various locations around your home. It creates a robust barrier, protecting your home from drafts and moisture all year. This ensures a comfortable indoor environment and enhances energy efficiency. It's designed for quick and easy application, requiring no tools. You can apply it in seconds, tearing it to the desired length for a precise fit. What we like. This versatile weather seal is perfect for sealing cracks and gaps around windows, doors, and plumbing. If you need a quick and effective temporary solution for winterizing your home, or for sealing various gaps and cracks, this is a great option. Its tool-free application makes it incredibly convenient and easy to use. What people say. Was exactly what was needed for filling some gaps on 100-year-old windows. Does not peel apart quite as easily as you would hope, as it tends to break off into shorter strips, but still entirely usable and easy to apply and remove later. Great crack filler. I used this to putty the cracks in my window frame where I could feel cold air leaking into the house, and it is wonderful stuff. You strip off as many bead sections as you need to fill and simply press it against the crack to seal it up. I live by the highway and there was air leaks on the side of the window. I added these on the leak and the sound was muffled instantly. Sticks very well, has not come off at all. I was even able to peel off and reuse it after I applied it wrong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.